Bianca feeding ducks. Tear it in little pieces so the duckies have more to eat.
Okay.
Just put the bread down and then you can tear it. It's fine. That's a good piece.
I hit on their bodies.
Did you hit their bodies?
Yes. Oh.
Wow, that horn is annoying.
I got to feed that ducky.
Oh, you got to feed that one over there?
Yeah.
Oh, good job.
I love feeding that.
You're good, baby girl. Look at them duckies.
Oh,
Yep, they are, huh?
yeah.